All morning long, Kaylee, you've been talking about rain and thunderstorms coming toward our area. Sounds like they're here now.
Yeah, they certainly are. We're hearing the thunder roaring over the studios now, and you can finally see the rain off of our One Seneca camera, the haze and the visibility reductions from just how heavy those rain showers actually are. So here's a current view of the satellite and radar. It shows a loop of the last 2.5 hours, and you can see the progression this storm has made over Lake Erie and now when it arrives here in western New York and in the Buffalo metro area. Of course, the Falls has been seeing and feeling the rain for a little while longer, but they are not experiencing lightning strikes. It's south of there, south of Port Colborne and Buffalo, that are seeing these strongest showers and lightning strikes developing. And in addition to that, look how much lightning there is. We're seeing over 50 strikes, and that's within just the last 5 minutes. So this is a very strong thunderstorm that is making an impact. So far, this is what our hail detection is showing us. We've got the potential for at least pea-sized hail, if not a little larger. And I wanted to show you this because there is on our velocity signature a little bit of a rotation just south of Evans, right near Lake Erie Beach. So this is something I'm closely watching because, unfortunately, in this severe thunderstorm warned area, shaded in orange, there is the potential for some straight line wind damage, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and yes, a small risk for a tornado. So we are watching this very closely this morning. Again, this warning in place through about 9:15. Now, south of that area, there are a couple of spotty showers, but obviously the storm further north is packing the biggest punch, and it's easy to see why. The Storm Prediction Center has most of western New York under a marginal risk for these severe storms, not only for this morning, but as we get into the warmest part of the afternoon as well. So right around 2, 3 o'clock, we could once again see those storms develop well south of Buffalo. Until then, this is what we're looking at. Of course, those showers rolling through the north towns, sticking around through about 11 o'clock today, and then our gears shift further south of Buffalo, south and east actually throughout the evening. Now, overnight, all will quiet down, and that's good news because I know it's been pretty unsettled for the last several days, and tomorrow we get a break from that. It will be mostly cloudy, but sunshine will break out eventually, and we'd stay dry for the majority of the day. Friday, however, we do see a return to these unsettled kind of weather conditions that actually will stick around through portions of the weekend. Now, I wanted to give you an idea of what's going on outside right now. Outside of those thunderstorms, it is still really mild and really muggy. We're talking about low 70s for Buffalo, upper 60s for those suburbs further south, with wind speeds that are light. But I do want to stress this. Inside of that thunderstorm, this isn't correct. We're seeing gusts close to 45, 50 miles per hour and sustained winds that are much higher than that. We actually have aviation warnings in place at the Buffalo airport, which goes to show you that the wind is making an impact there as well. And it will continue to do so for the next several hours before we see these conditions return. For tonight, we're back into the mid-60s, and then here's a look at your 7-day. Wake Up will be right back after the break.